This is the elevator at Macy's in the Mall at Robinson in Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. This is the one that Genesee elevator is called a death trap. So Schindler 308 installed in 1998. Originally Kaufmann's. Try to talk over music. Lantern doesn't work. Oh yeah. Go to UL. Door close one does not work. Here we go. That's a sick chime. This is why a Schindler Fair Oaks Mall West elevator is a Schindler. LLUL12. Back down to LL. Check out the call station. Lantern works up here. Let's take a look up here. Oh wow, shaft light's on. Cool. Oops. Almost knocked over that wall. Chime went out for the first time. Very nice, except that chime. MT, phone doors jammed, so a cell phone is a must on this elevator. 2,500 pound capacity. Unfortunately, it does not have the supernova motor like the glass one. There it goes, and that's it.